Everyone, in today's video, I'm gonna show you a comparison between Sellfy and Shopify. So Sellfy has a pricing of $19 per month, while Shopify has a $30 per month, a $29 per month option. The transaction fees at Sellfy are zero, and Shopify takes about 0.5 to 0.2%. And Sellfy has a fully hosted storefront, while Shopify has one also, but not a clean checkout, while Sellfy has one. Uh, and Sellfy, you can simply sell digital products, but on Shopify, you will need to sell them through an application. They both sell subscriptions. You can host unlimited products and have only Sellfy has built-in email marketing, and they both have a discount feature, built-in analytics, and you can add your own domain. So yeah, these are some features that are in contrast of both, and this is a brief comparison between Sellfy and Shopify. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video.